What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manually set the default WordPress theme if your dashboard is not accessible using cPanel's file manager. Now, why would you need to do this? Well, sometimes a custom theme update fails or a poorly coded theme causes your entire site to crash. When this happens, you can't log into the WordPress dashboard to switch back to a safe default theme like 2023. That's when File Manager comes into play. By renaming the active theme folder, you can force WordPress to fall back to one of its default themes and get your site working again. And this is one of the biggest benefits of RackNerd's cPanel shared hosting. With File Manager already included, you can directly access and manage your site's files, giving you the power to fix problems yourself without waiting on support. If you're not already hosting with us, make sure to check out RackNerd.com. Our hosting plans make managing and troubleshooting your WordPress site simple, secure, and reliable. Now, quickly, before we dive into the steps, let me also mention that in our recent tutorials, I've shown you how to disable plugins and troubleshoot themes using File Manager. This tutorial builds on those same techniques, giving you yet another way to recover your site quickly. All right, let's move right into the steps. First, go ahead and log into your cPanel account. Once you're inside, scroll down and open File Manager. From there, navigate to the folder where WordPress is installed, usually in the public_HTML directory unless your site is in a subfolder. Next, open the WP-content folder and then open the themes folder. This is where you have installed all of your themes and they're stored. Now locate the folder of the same theme that's currently active. To disable it, just simply rename the folder. For example, change your custom theme to your custom theme _disabled. Once renamed, WordPress will no longer recognize that theme. Since it can't load the active theme, your WordPress site will automatically revert to one of its built-in themes depending on the time you are watching this video, such as 2022, 2023, whatever it is. Finally, head back to your website and refresh the page. In most cases, your site will now load again using the default theme. And that's it. You've successfully forced WordPress to use a default theme by disabling the active one in File Manager. This method is especially useful when you have a broken theme that completely locks you out of your dashboard. It's another great example of how RackNerd's cPanel hosting makes managing your website easier than ever. With direct access to your files, you're always in control and can recover from issues in just a few minutes instead of spending time on support. So if you're still looking for reliable hosting with cPanel access, definitely go check out RackNerd.com. And if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more guides just like this. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.